I'm super excited to talk to you about the new Cambridge EV charger. We focus on providing the best EV charger by equipping our high-efficient EV charger. This innovative charger is a game changer, and I can't wait to show you all the cool features it has to offer. First off, let's talk about the sleek design. The Cambridge EV charger is not only functional but also stylish, making it a great addition to any home or business. And speaking of functionality, this charger is top of the line. It's compatible with all electric vehicles, making it versatile and convenient for everyone. Plus, it's super easy to use. With just a simple plug-in, you can start charging your car in no time. But the best part? The speed. The Cambridge EV charger is lightning fast, so you can get back on the road quicker than ever. Whether you're at home or on the go, this charger is a must-have for any electric vehicle owner. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient charging solution, look no further than the Cambridge EV charger. So don't wait more, call us now at 905-270-2177 or visit www.camfcharger.ca.